Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the Maharashtra Board question bank provided by the Maharashtra Board for 12th standard HSC students for science and arts. I have prepared a telegram group in which I'll be giving the notes related to this question bank as well as the videos I'm going to post on that telegram group. If you want to get the important tips and notes related to geography, please join that telegram group. The link of the telegram group I have already given in the description section. Till now we have completed that identify the incorrect factors, identify correct factors, right or wrong, follow the instructions, then complete the chain. So we have already completed so many videos related to question bank. You can see that videos on my channel. I have already created a playlist related to all these videos. So you'll get everything under one playlist, which is named by Geography 12th HSC, Arts and Science, Question Bank, Full Complete Solved Solutions. Let us quickly start with complete the chain, fifth one. So this is how we'll do it, like A, B, C. In the previous video I already told you कि अगर इसमें जितने भी हैं आपके questions, so whatever is sure shot, इसमें से आपको थोड़ी ही बहुत आइडिया होती है. Okay, you know कि किसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है. Okay, so जिसका आंसर आपको 100% पता है, that you should start solving first. ओके अल्टीमेटली जो आपको नहीं पता है वो बच जाएगा एंड देन you'll गेट कि हाँ दिस इज द आंसर फॉर दैट. ओके सो ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द इजी कॉन्सेप्ट जो आपको सबसे पहले पता है कि हाँ व्हाट इज दिस स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. सो यू नो कि स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज में मशीन्स लगते हैं क्या? नहीं लगते बिकॉज इट इज स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. सो बेसिकली स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज में हु इज वर्किंग, ऑल मैनुअल वर्क होता है या फिर employees they themselves work. Okay, so this is how you can understand and you can make it. Okay, so small scale industries basically it is manual manufacturing industry. Okay, or what is the example of small scale industry? So the example of small scale industry is ceramics. Okay, next we have the cottage industry. Now cottage industries, they always require a skilled person, okay, to work for them. And example is potter. It is basically dependent on the skills. Next is consumer goods. Consumer goods, these are the goods which are ready for direct consumption. Means if you purchase it, you can directly start using it. There is no need of any changes in it. And the answer for it is pharmaceutical, medicines which we eat. Then next we have finally left with that is private industries. Okay, so private industries are owned by whom? They are owned by a single individual who is the owner of it, and the example of it is iron and steel industries. Okay, so this is what is complete the following chain. Now we'll go further with the next complete the following chain. So here we have Matheran, GPS, Sri Lanka and Panama Canals. Now we all know that Matheran is a best tourist place in India, one of the best tourist place. So immediately you'll match it with the tourism. And what is tourism? Tourism, it is a tertiary activity. So this is what is the answer for it. Next we have GPS. Now what is GPS? GPS is one of the satellite technique, and we use GPS for what? We use it for communication. Export area Pacific Ocean, this is not the answer which is going to match the GPS. After that we have next is what? Sri Lanka. Now what is Sri Lanka famous for? Basically Sri Lanka is famous for tea production and it always exports tea. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे देखो आपके पास दो ही ऑप्शंस बचे हैं, पनामा कैनल और श्रीलंका. सो यू नो इवन दो आपको पता नहीं है कि वो टी में एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, बट यू नो कि पनामा कैनल इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैव टी इन इट. सो ऐसे आप लॉजिक लगा के यू नीड टू यूज योर ब्रेन ऑलवेज in such type of questions. Then we have finally left with Panama Canal, which joins Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean. Okay, this is the route of Panama Canal. Next is complete the following chain. Here we have Uttarakhand. Okay, so Uttarakhand is basically famous for its mountainous region. We all know कि वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा landslides होते हैं and basically it is covered by mountains. And Ganga river basin is one of the river which we can see in Uttarakhand. Next is formal region. Now, formal regions are basically characterized because of their physical factors, and these formal regions may cause the regional imbalance. Okay, next we have the Nagpur metro area. So, Nagpur metro area is one of an economic factor and it is a functional region. Let us move further with complete the following chain next. Now we have human geography. So basically यहाँ पे तीन options है आपके पास. So first is geographical effect method, economic geography and biogeography. So humans, they earn money. So economic geography is one of the thing which comes under human geography, and the next C column option is economics. After that, we have physical geography. So basically, physical geography is one of the biogeography which is related to biology. And after that, we have geographical method. So geographical method leads to geographical effect method, which is based on statistics. So this is about the third one. Next we have complete the following chain. So this is the next complete the following chain and the last complete the following chain. So here we have in the column A like formal region, refugees, hunting, India and small industries, right? So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले you should always go with the easiest way. Now as we stay in India, we know that India has what? It has monsoon type of climate. Okay. And it also has the highest population. ठीक है. Next है hunting. अभी hunting है, then definitely who does hunting? Hunting is done by Adivasi people. Okay, so they are called as tribal people. Okay, and tribal people, where do they stay? They stay in tribes of Amazon. Amazon में equatorial evergreen forest है. So it is not much developed area. So still now the people living there are doing hunting, gathering, and Amazon river basin, Congo river basin are the places which comes under it. Okay, अभी next क्या है? जो easy है सबसे पहले वो आप करो, फिर you will be left with the difficult one and you will ultimately get the solution by default. ठीक है. अभी small scale industries. अभी small scale industries में आप maximum capital invest करोगे क्या? No. Why? Because it is a small scale industries. तो small scale industries basically skills के ऊपर based होता है. ठीक है. So it is pharmaceutical company. I'll just erase it once. The colors are spreading. So I'm giving different colors by which you can understand easily. Okay. Next we have refugees. So refugees are the people who are forced to migrate. ठीक है. कुछ problems के वजह से वो migrate होते हैं. ठीक है. So they have some social problems and they are forced for migrating. So this is about refugees. Now we are left with formal region. ठीक है. अभी formal region में formal region is basically because of physical factors, and Ganga river basin is an example of formal region. ठीक है. So this is all about the complete the following chain second part. In the first part, first 4 I have solved. In the second part, these are the next 4 which I have solved. I hope these answers are quite understandable to all of you. If any correction, if any objection from your side, please comment me in the comment section. Whatever I feel is right according to my knowledge, I have given you these answers. If any other suggestions from your side, so you can suggest me. Okay, thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel.